Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students, I am your mathematics teacher, Muhammad Amjad Saeed from Pakistan International School, Taif. Today we are going to continue our exercise 2.1 and our lecture number 30, 10th class mathematics. And you know that this is the question: if roots of equation are equal, then either a is equal to 0 or a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. Actually, we have to prove that these are the two answers. And if this equation has equal roots, then the disk will be equal to 0. Yesterday I told you, last time I told you that whenever the roots of an equation are equal, then its disk will be equal to 0. Roots will be equal and disk will be 0. So that is the rule which we will apply here. Now you have this equation in which ABC, small abc are involved. So that's why I am taking capital A for the coefficient of x square, c square minus ab, and capital B is minus 2 into a square minus bc, and capital C is b square minus ac. Now we are using the result. If roots of equation are equal, then disk is equal to 0. That is, b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Using the values of ABC here, this is minus 2 into a square minus bc whole square, minus 4 into a, c square minus ab, and capital C value is b square minus ac. That is equal to 0. Open up the formula of square. This square is on both, minus 2 and a square minus bc. So you will write down 4 into a4 minus 2a square bc plus b square c square. Remember that I am applying the formula. I am applying the formula a minus b whole square. This is a square minus 2ab plus b square, and minus 2 square is 4. After that we have minus 4 into b square c square. C square is multiplied by b square, then a c cube minus a b cube plus a square bc, that is equal to 0. We have taken c square and one by one we multiply that, c square b square, then c square is multiplied here, minus ac cube, then minus ab with b square, that is minus ab cube. Similarly, minus minus plus a and a square into bc, that is equal to 0. Now after that we multiply, or rather you can divide both sides by 4. Here is 4, here is 4. Dividing both sides by 4, we are left with a4 minus 2a square bc plus b square c square minus into b square c square minus a cube minus ac cube minus ab cube plus a square bc, that is equal to 0. After that we will open up this bracket and there will be a change of sign inside. So we have a4 minus 2a square bc plus b square c square minus b square c square plus ac cube plus ab cube minus a square bc, that is equal to 0. Now we will rearrange. First of all, b square plus b square and minus b square, they are cancelled out, and we are left with a cube plus ab cube plus ac cube. We are writing down a power 4, then ab cube plus ac cube minus 2a square bc and minus 1a square bc, that is minus 3a square bc, that is equal to 0. Now we can take a common. A cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc, that is equal to 0. You know that this is the product which is equal to 0. So either a is equal to 0 or a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to 0 implies that a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. That is your answer. That was required condition. I hope that you understood this question. After that, we have question number 8. In question number 8, there are 2 parts, and we can take one part from here. Question number 8, I am taking second part. Show that the roots of equation are rational. Show that roots of equations are rational. Dear students, you know that I have written the properties of roots of the equation, that whenever there are rational roots, this must be greater than 0 and perfect scale. That is the condition for rational roots. Last time I told you that whenever the disk is greater than 0 and perfect scale, then the roots of equation will be rational. So here we can take part number 2, a plus 2b into x square, 2 into a plus b plus c, plus 2 into a plus b plus c into x, and plus a plus 2c, a plus 2c is equal to 0. Remember that I told you that we have already small abc in your equation, so it is better to take capital ABC for writing down the disk. So let the coefficient of x square is a plus 2b, that was a, and coefficient of x is always b, 2 into a plus b plus c, then capital C is a plus 2c. Now disk is equal to b square minus 4ac. Remember that our requirement is disk must be greater than 0 and it must be a perfect scale. After simplification, we must reach at this conclusion. This is 2 into a plus b plus plus C whole square minus 4 into A plus 2B, and C is A plus 2C. Now we can open up the formula of square. First of all, this square is on both 4, and remember that you have seen this formula in exercise 4.2 in your 9th class mathematics subject. That was square of 3 terms. First square plus second square plus third square plus 2 into first second plus 2 into second third plus 2 into third first minus 4 into, you multiply these two brackets, a square plus 2ac plus 2ab and plus 4bc. A square plus 2ac plus 2ab and plus 4bc. Here we will open up the bracket. 4a square plus 4b square plus 4c square plus 8ab plus 8bc and plus 8ca. Now we will open up this bracket also. That is minus 4a square minus 8ac minus 8ab minus 16bc. Now dear students, 4a square cancelled out. 8ac and 8ca, they are cancelled out. 8ab positive and negative, they are cancelled out. And we are left with we are left with 4b square plus 4c square. This is plus 8bc and minus 16bc, that is minus 8bc. We can take 4 common from here. B square plus c square minus 2bc. Remember that inside the bracket, actually this is b minus c whole square. Even you can bring this 4 inside the square by writing down 2 into b minus c whole square. Dear students, you can check. Your answer is always positive because square can never be negative. Again, I am repeating, square can never be negative. So this is positive, and along with that reason, perfect square. Greater than 0, perfect square. Hence, this is your conclusion. Hence, roots of equation are rational. After that, we have your question number 9 and 10. Again, question number 9 is for values of k, prove that roots are real. And similarly, in case of question number 10, show that the roots of equation are real. Question number 9 and 10, they are exactly similar. So I think it is better to solve question number 9. From your question number 9, you will get the idea about your question number 10. Remember that this condition will remain the same for this question also. For all values of k, prove that roots of equation, prove that roots of equation x square minus 2 into k plus 1 over k plus 1 over k into x plus 3 is equal to 0. Remember that from here you can easily check what B, C. A is the coefficient of x square, that is 1. B is the coefficient of x minus 2, k plus 1 over k, and C is 3. C is 3. So we will have, you know that in case of real roots we must have this will be equal to, it will be positive, definitely it must be a perfect square. In that reason the roots will be real. Real means rational also. You can consider real and rational also. Now disk is equal to b square minus 4ac minus 2 into k plus 1 over k whole square minus 4, a is 1 and c is 3. Here you can say 4 into k plus 1 over k whole square minus 12. From here you can see 4 into k square plus 1 over k square plus 2 minus 12. We have opened the formula a square plus b square plus 2ab. So we can have 4k square plus 4 over k square plus 8 minus 12. Dear students, we have 4k square plus 4 over k square minus 4. Yes, if you can take common 4 from here, and rather you can write down in that way, first square plus second square minus 2 into first into second. Dear students, this is actually I have written in terms of completing the square. A square plus b square minus 2 into a, what is a? Inside first square. Into b, that one second. And if you simplify it, you will get this again. And here it will be 2k minus 2 over k whole square. Dear students, again I am telling you that square can never be negative. It is always positive. And definitely it is a perfect square. Greater than 0, perfect square. Hence, roots of the equation are real. Hence, roots of given equation are real. In bracket you can write down rational. So that was your question number 9. So here we have question number 10. Show that the roots of equation are real. Same technique, same result, same method. Show that the roots of equation. Question number 10. Show that roots of equation b minus c into x square and plus c minus a into x plus A minus B equal to 0 are real. Remember that I've told you already, in case of the equation in which small abc are involved, you can take coefficient of x here as capital A, coefficient of x is capital B, and coefficient of, or rather constant, is capital C A minus B. Now, disk is equal to B square minus 4AC. By using these values here, C minus A whole square minus 4 into B minus C into A minus B. Remember that after simplifying, your result must be, disk must be greater than 0 and the answer must be a perfect square. Disk must be positive and perfect square. You will get the answer as perfect square. Then definitely you will write down, hence the roots of given equation are real, rational. So in this way you can complete. So I am writing down C by S. Complete yourself. Complete yourself this question. I hope that you will solve this question very easily by the help of previous question. Okay, my dear students, if you have any problem, you can contact me. Inshallah, I will do it. So, okay. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum.